Are you looking for something that helps you figure out when to buy and sell without overcomplicating things? Today, we're going to dive into an indicator that does just that. We're talking about the Support and Resistance Power Channel by Chart Prime. It's a really neat tool that shows you key support and resistance zones, how much buying or selling oomph is in those zones, and even gives you signals for potential reversals. We're going to go over what this indicator is all about and how you can use it in your trading. If you happen to find value in this video, remember to smash that like button. Now, to get started with this indicator, you first of all want to head over to TradingView. That's the platform I'm using, and if you need to sign up, there's a link down in the video description for you. Once you're there, load up any chart, any time frame you like. Then you're going to click on the Indicators tab and type in Support and Resistance Power Channel. You'll want to pick the one by Chart Prime. Go ahead and add that to your chart. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-powerful Support and Resistance Power Channel Indicator. It's a fantastic tool that basically draws these dynamic support and resistance zones right on your chart. But it doesn't stop there. It also shows you how much buying or selling oomph is building up in those specific areas, which can make spotting those potential price reversals a whole lot easier. So when you look at the chart with this indicator loaded, you'll see this channel. The upper zone, usually in pink, is labeled sell power. That's your resistance area. And the lower zone, typically green, is labeled buying power. That's your support. Now, within that upper pink resistance zone, the indicator actually calculates sell power based on the number of bearish candles it sees. And similarly, down in the green support zone, it calculates buy power based on the number of bullish candles. This is super helpful because it gives you a real sense of the strength of the buying or selling activity right at those key levels. You'll also notice these X marks that pinpoint the highest and lowest prices within the channel, and their values are often displayed at the end of the channel. Plus, there's a midline, usually a gray dotted line that runs right through the middle of the channel. This line represents the average of the high and low, kind of like a fair value point. And you'll often see price retesting it. And for those reversal signals, you'll see diamond markers pop up on your chart. These are important because they don't just appear randomly. There's a built-in delay to help filter out false breakouts. So the diamond acts as a more confirmed signal. All right, so how do we actually trade with this thing? Well, it's pretty straightforward, which is what I love about it. You're primarily looking at these zones for potential trades. For a bullish setup, you'd watch for the price to come down into that green buying power zone. You'd want to see a decent buy power value there, indicating strength from the bulls. Then you wait for that diamond signal to appear, which confirms the potential reversal after that little delay. Once you see that diamond, it suggests it's a strong area to consider going long. You could even think about adding to your position if the signs are strong. And for a bearish setup, it's just the opposite. You're looking for the price to enter that pink sell power zone. Check if there's significant sell power building up. When that diamond signal prints, confirming a potential downward reversal, that's your cue to consider a short position. The idea here is that the indicator is making it really simple to see these opportunities. And what about taking profit? That gray midline we talked about can be a very reasonable place to set your take profit targets, as price often gravitates back towards it. So to wrap things up, the Support and Resistance Power Channel Indicator by Chart Prime is a really effective tool that brings together support and resistance zones, the actual buying and selling pressure within them, and clear visual signals for potential reversals. It really helps to simplify your trading by making these key levels and potential turning points very straightforward to see and act upon. It's all about promoting clean, simple trading. Now, just a quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. The strategies we discuss here are based purely on indicators, and for real-world trading, you should always add your own price action analysis, fundamental research, or whatever other confluences you use to make your decisions. If you found value in this video and learned something new, please remember to leave a like. It really helps out the channel. And hey, why not consider subscribing to stay tuned for more content like this? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.